Hello friends, welcome to another Darktable tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to remove unwanted spots or objects using the Retouch module in Darktable. I will also briefly discuss the other uses of this module. If you don't know, the key purposes of the Retouch module are to remove unwanted image elements by cloning, healing, and filling using different shapes. This module extends the capabilities of the spot removal module by including a heal tool. If you are familiar with the heal tool in GIMP, it is exactly the same in the Retouch module too, which provides a type of seamless cloning. The healing tool allows to copy the pixels from other parts of the image and blend it with the pixel at the selected area. The cloning tool allows us to hide part of an image by replacing it with the pixels copied from other part of the pictures. Fill tool. This tool fill in the selected region using a chosen color. Blur tool. This tool applies a blur to selected region, smoothing out any detail. We also can take advantages of overlaid decomposition if we need to work in the details of the healed or cloned area separately. These layers can then be selectively retouched before being recombined to produce the output image. So without any further delay, let's get into it. As you can see, I have got an image here and I already worked on that. So let me show you the finished one. So as you can see, in this edited one, this part has been healed with the Retouch module, of course, and this is unfinished, where you can see that this part somehow there is no grasses around here, so it doesn't look really. I see there is a problem, but of course, it depends on each individual how you see. So if I want to heal that part, I think the Retouch module would be perfect to fix that issue. So I'm going to the Retouch module. Here it is. It has already been activated, and if you don't see it is activated, just find Retouch module by searching here and activate it by clicking on this little icon. Okay, so as I have already mentioned, we can use different shapes here to fill that area or clone or heal. We can add circle, ellipse, we also can use pots, and of course we can brush. So for this particular picture, it would probably be ideal to use brush rather than using the other shapes. So I'll be using brush. And then we have another thing to look at, and that is algorithms, that which we have to understand which algorithm we are going to use. So first we have healing tool. So that tool basically, for an example, if I want to take pixels from here, I can, and then it will blend with the existing pixels here, so it will be a kind of a blended look. And then so let me show you actually, so that you can understand it better. So I am grabbing, just to show, grabbing the circle, and I'm clicking here, and then I'm going to take pixels, for an example, from here. So as you can see, it's kind of it has been blended, so it's not a replacement of the pixels from here. It's not exact replacement of the pixels from this area, right? And then we have a cloning tool. That's what we need for this particular picture. So let me show you now how it works. So we place it here, and then if we take pixels from here, now let's check. As you can see, it has exactly been copied here. So that's what we need for this particular picture, but you can use whatever you need. And then, as I have discussed, we have fill tool and blur tool, which we don't need for this particular image, but you can use them similarly to get expected result. Okay, so now I'm going to use the paint brush tool. So I'm grabbing it, and as I've said, I'm going to clone the pixels probably from here, and we'll place it over here. That's what we need for this picture. This is why I'm using clone, but for your purposes you can go with healing tool as well. Alright, so now I am painting over here in the kind of brown and empty area, right? And then I am going to take that line probably over here. Yeah, as you can see, it has been replaced. Right, so similarly, if I want to fill that area I can, but I would keep it as it is because probably some pixel would be overlap here, so I'm not going to do anything too much. Right, so now I'm going to show you another thing, friends, and that is wavelet decomposition. And so the purpose of this module is to work separately with the details of, for an example, if I want to get some sort of detail, I got pixels from here, but now if I want to grab some detail from this area to here, that I can do by using wavelet decomposition. And it is pretty much the same if you are used to use wavelet decompose in GIMP as well. So we can use that line to create the scale whatever you want, and then we can activate this display overlay scale, and then we can go anywhere at any scale we want, and then we can activate auto level, but you can preview more than one scale together, obviously. So I'm set it auto, and then if I want to, for an example, get some sort of pixel from that area to here, which I obviously can do. To do that, I place the brush or I paint wherever I want, and then I simply take the line to the area from where I want to copy the pixel. So similarly, if I go to the fourth the fourth scale, and if I decide to take pixels here, okay, so this is something I'm just showing you guys how to work with, and then you can merge them, and now let's have a look. I didn't go through all of this scale, but because I don't need to do anything too much here, because the pixels I have copied from there and here, it's pretty much the same. It's not like that it is quite sharp here and it is not here, so it is okay the way it is, because the focus in this picture on this man, so it doesn't really matter. But I just have shown how you can do that with the other images you will be working on. Right, then So friends, this is how you can use Retouch module in Darktable. And again, this is my very own experiences. It's not like expert opinion. Everyone has their own way of working. So yeah, there are a few people already have commented about detailed discussion. Again, as I've said, everyone has their own way of explanation, own way of working. If this tutorial helps you guys, I'm pleased. But if it doesn't, you feel free to comment and share your thoughts, and I will be trying to improve the tutorial qualities based on your opinion as well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.